Hello and welcome, John Kroner with Bullseye Trader, and I'd like to welcome you to the Artificial Intelligence Holly and Market Update for Wednesday, August the 1st, 2018. Well, let's go ahead and take a fast look and see what happened with these markets today. And you can see here the IBB had a very nice day. We are just above the 20 moving average and looking real good. A little volatility throughout the day, but we did fare very nice. The Qs had a nice day as well, continued up. We're still not above the high of 2 days ago, but a nice day today. Let's run through the FANG stocks real quick here to show you. And Apple here, as you see, had a very nice earnings, a very nice gap, nice day. Just shy, they need to hit, from what I understand, 203 to hit that $1 trillion valuation to be the first company to ever do that. And they are knocking at the door. Now, Facebook, as you can see here, did not close higher, so they are still in that range there, not going anywhere right now. Amazon, green day, but light volume. Google, kind of had the gap up and then pulled back a little bit, closed very close to where it opened yesterday. And Netflix is, green candle, actually gapped down and then closed very slightly higher than yesterday. So that was your FANG update. IWM, another doji candle here. I guess the good news is after it pulled back, it did recover some. So we're still have some concerns there, but hopefully it's just going to gather itself and then move higher. The spiders have a red candle today. You can see here some volatility, but low volume. It's those summer days. You get into those low volume days. And the diamonds have a red candle, but once again on just average to light volume. No big deal there. GLD, pulled back a little bit more. It just continues its down trek. And TLT gap down, did recover a little bit, but it had a fairly large gap down. So that is your market update for today. Now let's go ahead and jump into Holly and see how Holly did today. And you can see here the Holly Grill had 18 trades for a profit of 16 cents. And the risk on had a profit of $4.18. So you can see here on the histogram, once it got its motor running, it just kept on trucking up all day long. The Holly 2.0 had 24 trades, $1.69 profit, 432 was the risk on profit. And you can see the histogram is, once it got started at about the same time, just continued that upward trek all day long. And then the Holly Neo had 19 trades, 99-cent profit. And you can see here she had some failures right at the end of the day. And the, pretty much the same thing with the risk on 222 profit, and dropped off right at the tail end of the day, a little more choppy on that one. So the way it all boiled down, we had 61 trades today, $2.84 profit, but $10.72 risk on profit, which is one of her better days. That was very nice risk on profit. For the week, we're sitting at 189 trades, $10.02 profit, risk on profit $24.23. So Holly is doing very good. Let's go ahead and take a look at some of the trades that went into that. And we can see here in the Neo, she had a target hit, $1 profit on ATRA. And also this was a short trade, and her risk on was $1.93. So that was pretty much a pain-free trade once you got this little bounce here, and then it kept on down. So that was very nice, and that was probably that was the best in both categories. Let's go ahead and take a look at the Holly Neo. Holly Neo is populating here as we speak, and she had 2 target hits here, one on Venom, and that was a long, and one on KFRC, and that was also a long, and you can see how nice that was. And the risk on profit was also the KFRC. So, once again, she got in, and that was a very much a pain-free trade. Just look how nice that was. Now we're going to go ahead, jump in, and take a look at the Holly Grail and see how the Holly Grail made out today. And if we look at the profit, the PCMI was her best profit, and it was actually tied 40 cents, and this was a long trade. You can see it here. And then risk on ended up at 68 cents. STAA was tied with it. Another long trade, and you can see after being in the range all day, she finally called it. She got 40 cents out of it, but then it did pull back to end up with even on the risk on, and her XENT was her best risk on trade, a short. She actually lost 38 cents on it, but then once it kicked in, had a nice risk on profit. And last but not least, and I guess we've already looked at the Grail, I think. So, yep. So there we are. That is your Holly update for today. And I'm going to remind you about our trade of the week. I'll go ahead and put the link to get that. But if you're interested in an artificial intelligence aided trade of the week idea, we come out with these every Monday morning, right in your inbox. I'll give you the link. You can just put in your email address, and we'll have it there to you every Monday morning. And our betting average is pretty good with them. So check that out. I would be glad to have you do that. As I said, that is free for you, and you can always follow my blog at bullseyetrader.com. You can like me on Facebook, follow me on Twitter or StockTwits. If you got anything out of this video, go ahead, hit this thumbs up for me, and maybe leave a comment, maybe share it with some friends and like-minded people. And also, if it's the first time you're seeing these videos, feel free to go ahead, hit that subscribe button. That way you'll never miss one. I want to thank you for watching today, and God bless.